Hello everyone, welcome to my space. It's your favorite science tutor, Okorosa Ernest. And in today's video, we shall be focusing on a very vital aspect of chemistry, measuring acidity and alkalinity of a solution. Now we have a question on the board that says, which of these pH values is likely to be a slightly alkaline solution? And we have some set of numbers 2, 5, 7, 8, 13. Now to bring you into this topic, there is an important term I want us to look at. It is known as pH. The word pH simply means potential of hydrogen. Potential of hydrogen ion. H plus signifies hydrogen ion. So the word pH simply means potential of hydrogen ion. We also have a word we call pOH. It means potential of hydroxide ion. In this case, we say OH minus. Now, what is the pH talking about? Based on the measuring of acidity and alkalinity of a solution, the pH of a solution simply measures the level of acidity and alkalinity of a solution. It ranges in form of numbers from 0 to 14. The scale looks like this. The center we have 7. Moving to the right we have 7 to 14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then moving to the left we have series of numbers 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. This is how the pH scale looks. Now we consider the number 7 to be neutral. Neutral in the sense that we say it is neutral. It has no effect on litmus paper. That means it is neither acidic nor alkalinity. Alkalinity simply means basicity. Are we together? Now, numbers ranging below 7, that is from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we say numbers, substances that fall in this category, we call them acidic. They are acidic. While numbers are ranges from 8 to 14, we call them alkaline. So alkalinity falls in this category. Number 7 is neutral. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is acidic. While 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is alkaline. Now to the question, which of these pH values is likely to be a slightly alkaline solution? Now, number 14 simply means it is highly alkaline. That is very alkaline. 12, 13 will also be highly alkaline. Now, for slight alkaline, it means it will fall around 8, 9. From the option, we can see that we have 8, so we go for 8. So we say 8 is slightly alkaline because it is slightly away from the neutral. Now also take note, numbers like 6 in the pH scale, we can say it is slightly acidic. And then numbers like 1 and 2, we can say 1, 2 is highly acidic. Now in summary, what this actually means is, moving to the left we have acidity, moving to the right we have alkalinity. So in summary we can say the acidity of a solution increases with decreasing pH value. That is to say, as the pH value decreases, it becomes more acidic. That means a solution having a pH of 1 is highly acidic than a solution having a pH of 6. On the other hand, the alkalinity increases as the pH also increases. That is to say, a pH value of 14 is highly alkaline than a pH value of 8 and that of 9. So in summary, we go for option 8. It is slightly alkaline. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe And for my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you and see you some other time.